everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious Cajun shrimp lasagna rolls. These were so good and I can't wait to show you how to make them, so let's get started with the video. Begin by preparing your ingredients. Dice 1 onion, one green bell pepper, and 1 red bell pepper. Then peel and devein about 10 pieces of shrimp. When you're finished, set your ingredients to the side. Next, in a large bowl, add 2 cups of ricotta cheese, half a cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of parsley, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Then mix everything together until well combined. When you're finished, set your ricotta mixture to the side. Next, in a pot full of water, add salt. Then bring the water to a boil. When the water starts boiling, add your lasagna noodles. Then cook the lasagna noodles for however long it says to on the box. While our noodles are cooking, we're going to make our sauce. Begin by seasoning your shrimp. I seasoned my shrimp with pepper, Old Bay, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and Cajun seasoning. Oh, and when you're seasoning the shrimp, add a bit of olive oil. It helps the seasoning stick to the shrimp. When you finish seasoning your shrimp, set it to the side. Next, in a large pan over medium heat, add butter and olive oil. Once the butter has melted, add your shrimp. Then cook the shrimp for about 5 to 7 minutes. When the shrimp have finished cooking, take them out of the pan and set them to the side. Next, add a half a cup of diced onions and a half a cup of diced bell peppers. Sauté the onions and bell peppers for about 5 minutes. When you finish sautéing the onions and bell peppers, add 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Then cook everything together for about 1 to 2 minutes. Next, add a half a cup of chicken broth and 2 tablespoons of butter. Mix everything together, and once the butter has melted, add 2 cups of heavy cream. Mix in the heavy cream and then let your sauce simmer until it starts to become thick. Once the sauce starts to become thick, add a half a cup of Parmesan cheese, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of Creole seasoning, a half a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, and about 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix everything together until well combined and then set your sauce to the side. Now that you've finished making your Cajun sauce, chop up the shrimp you cooked before. Place your shrimp in a bowl and then mix together half a cup of your Cajun sauce with the shrimp. Once everything is mixed together, you can begin assembling your lasagna rolls. First, lay out a lasagna noodle. Then spread a layer of ricotta cheese. After adding the ricotta cheese, add a layer of shrimp. Then roll up your lasagna. When you're finished, set your lasagna roll to the side and then repeat this process until you've made about 6 to 9 lasagna rolls. Next, grease a baking dish. Then add some of your Cajun sauce to the bottom of the dish. Make sure to spread the sauce out evenly. Then add your lasagna rolls. When you finish adding your lasagna rolls, pour the rest of the Cajun sauce on top. Next, add a layer of Parmesan and Mozzarella Cheese. When you're finished adding the cheese, place your lasagna rolls in the oven at 375 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. Then broil the top for about 3 minutes or until it has browned. After baking the lasagna rolls, let them rest for about 10 minutes and then enjoy. And this was the finished result. These lasagna rolls were delicious. They were creamy, cheesy, and tasted really good. They're pretty easy to make and they're great for dinner. They're also pretty filling. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.